Hey there, money seekers! Welcome to a world where your downtime can be transformed into a lucrative opportunity. Are you looking to make some extra cash during your downtime? Whether you're lounging on the couch, waiting for a friend, or just have a few minutes to spare, we've got something exciting for you. Well, let me introduce you to Downtime Dollars. This innovative app is designed to help you make the most of your free time by turning it into a money-making opportunity. This app is a game changer when it comes to making money online with quick videos and feedback. Imagine getting paid for activities you already do, like watching videos or sharing your opinion on products. With Downtime Dollars, you can earn gift cards by providing feedback on products and brands. It's a simple and effective way to make your opinions count and get rewarded for them. It's legit and offers multiple ways to earn. You can upload receipts, take paid surveys, complete offers, and even refer your friends. The more you engage, the more you earn. Imagine the fun of earning together with your friends, sharing tips, and watching your earnings grow. It's that easy. The app is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of tech savviness. Getting started is a breeze. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate through the app. Just download the Downtime Dollars app, available for both Apple iOS and Android. It's free to download and easy to install. The registration process is simple. All you need is your phone number and age. No lengthy forms or complicated steps. That's it. You're ready to start earning in minutes. The app guides you through the setup so you can start making money right away. What's awesome about Downtime Dollars is that you can use it during your spare time. It's perfect for those moments when you're waiting in line, commuting, or just relaxing at home. Those few minutes you spend watching quick videos and giving feedback can turn into real cash. It's a productive way to use your time and get rewarded for it. How cool is that? The app makes it fun and engaging to earn money, turning mundane moments into profitable ones. As you accumulate points, you can redeem them for gift cards from your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy. The more points you earn, the more rewards you can enjoy. These gift cards can be used for a wide range of products, giving you the flexibility to choose what you want. The e-gift cards are emailed to you, so you can use them to buy whatever you want. No waiting, no hassle. It's a seamless process that ensures you get your rewards quickly. It's instant gratification, folks. There's nothing better than seeing your efforts pay off immediately, so what are you waiting for? Don't let your downtime go to waste. Turn it into a productive and rewarding experience. Download Downtime Dollars today and start turning your downtime into dollars. It's a smart and easy way to boost your income. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your feedback is valuable and helps us improve. Have you tried Downtime Dollars? If so, what has your experience been like? We'd love to hear your success stories and tips. Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights can help others make the most of this app. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more content like this. Share it with your friends so they too can benefit from Downtime Dollars. The more the merrier, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay connected with us for more tips and tricks on making money online. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on future videos. You'll be the first to know about new opportunities and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy earning. We can't wait to see you succeed with Downtime Dollars.